Well, we won the DOM award for interior equipment, and it's always exciting to be nominated. This is the first time we've won one for a product like that. We're utilizing it as much as we can to market to our friends back in the States. And again, it's a very prestigious award that we're excited to have. We've been nominated several times in the past for some of our other products, but this time I think they really recognize the innovation that we have developed into our product. We came up with 6 new products this year that we're displaying at Metz. It's the only show that we do in Europe, and it's large, so it gives us it's a great opportunity to meet some of our European partners and friends that we don't get to see back in the States. So in general, I think this is probably one of the best shows that we attend in terms of our business development and opportunities.